Hello guys, this is Lauren and today I want to make an update about my indoor plants here in my basement. So stay tuned guys, here they are. So guys, here are my indoor plants this time of the year. Last week of April. So here are the citrus plant. It has lots of growth already, but there were stems that are already dead, but it's okay. So now I know that they don't like the room temperature because it's too dry in winter and it's so hot or warm. So they more like this clima here. It's 10 to 15 degrees in winter. So look at that. Anyway, this is a lime tree. It has still lots of flowers there and here. So yeah, and here is my, what do you call this one? This is a choco plant, chayote, and it's until there, and I must bring it outside. Maybe first in the greenhouse. Yeah. I must. And so here are chilies, and eggplants. So as you can see, the tomatoes are already so tall, and even here they are above the light already. So but I like them to be leggy like that because I want to plant them deeper for them to grow more roots, for them to become stronger. So there. Yeah, it's so dense there. I must put them in the greenhouse because the greenhouse is somehow warm at the daytime. Here are my other chilies, one tomato there, and those are, and that is the Carolina Reaper. I don't know if it's the red or yellow. And this one behind this tomato, don't know which variety is that. Anyway, let's see in the future. So still have here chilies. So guys, lime, quat, and kefir. Yeah, all in all, the plants are doing great, doing good, but they should go outside already. So yeah. So that's my indoor plants, guys, or seedlings. So today is their first day here outside in the greenhouse, but it should be with care when you put your seedlings outside for the first time. Like here in the greenhouse, it's hot or so warm, and and it's like direct sunlight in here. What I did is I put a dark mat here, or that is a construction mat, and then fleece there for a little bit, for trapping the sunlight a little bit. Yeah, so they are all here. And in the night, I'm gonna close the windows and the door of this greenhouse so that they will be protected from cold winds and frost at nights. or sometimes early in the morning, because even though it's already May here on our end, it's still cold. There's still light frost in the mornings or at nights. So it is important to close the door and windows of the greenhouse so that the plant will not gonna have damages, or else we are going to start from the beginning, and it is too late to start a seed from this time. And the only answer if the damage occur is to buy plants from the garden center, so we don't want that. So guys, thank you very much for watching my indoor plant update. And yeah, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, and if you find it interesting, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button for updates whenever I upload new videos or new updates. And also, please don't forget to hit the like button. Please, please, please. And yeah, again, thank you very much for watching. This is Lauren. God bless you all.